This is a very small quartz quarry and quartz stone workshop. This little area, there's the quartz ledge right there, a beautiful milky white quartz, and beneath it is a lot of debitage. The debitage is all over the place here. Everywhere you step, there's debitage. There's clearly been some kind of quartz napping and quartz workshop here. Who knows how deep down this quartz flakes and quartz debitage goes down into the ground. How far back in time have people been using this little area for making quartz stone objects? I have found a couple arrowheads here. I did give notice to a Native American tribe, and I did give the arrowheads to the tribe. Hopefully, if this is indeed an Indigenous quartz workshop and quarry, that it would get some kind of recognition for that and be protected for part of our history. I've also found pottery in here, pieces of pottery. So it's fun after a heavy rain to come along and just kind of poke through this place. When I found it, the whole area was covered in leaves and moss, and I've kind of dug away a lot of the leaves and moss so that it exposes all of this. Thank you. Leave your comments.